every time. Huh.
Okay.
Can you explain this threads concept so that it will get recorded?
Yes, ma'am. That concept is like it's action, right, ma'am? Is action what we are doing in the doing the whatever it is, maybe YouTube or Notepad. Give an example. In YouTube, you can start a video and then we can pause it and then again we can resume it. Like these are the on YouTube. These are all the threads. Ma'am.
Did you get understood? Okay, just a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Launching my Eclipse, I will share that screen.
Okay.
So I will show you how to create a thread and also how
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can use runnable interface, how you can execute a thread, how you can stop a thread. Everything I will explain it.
Okay.
Okay, and apart from that, another small topic I have for today.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh. Okay, so can you see my Eclipse? Why it is stopping? Yeah, can you see my Eclipse now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what I will do, I will show you how to create a thread first of all. Huh. So here what I will do, I will create a new class in Eclipse. New and then class. See, every time you, along with now that you will be training the students, every time
Yes,
please
ma'am.
stay online or offline. They must get hands-on experience. If you just tell them the
Yes,
concept
ma'am.
level, they will not understand. Everything has to be demonstrated using the code.
Code. Okay.
Yes.
And
Create.
simple concept with
Yes.
live
Code.
example.
Yes. Okay. So create thread. Okay. How? Using the thread class. How we can create? I will click on public static void main and click finish. So what I will do here, this itself, I want to make it as a thread. So what I can do, can extend the thread class.
Okay.
Okay. Then it will become a subclass. Extend thread. Then it will become a subclass of thread. So this my
Okay.
entire class will become a thread now. So now I can directly create a thread by creating the object. So how do you create an object? Class name followed by
Mm.
the object name equal
All
to
the
new
time.
and provide the constructor. Remember?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
And what I have to do is I have to say t dot start. Start is a method which will start the thread. So I will use the start method. So if you do this much, it is not enough because I told you there is a run method which will actually execute the thread. Remember in the whiteboard?
Yes.
Yes. So always
Yes,
we
yes.
need to have a run method. So we have to override. Remember the concept of overriding?
Yes, ma'am. Rewrite.
Ha. So overriding the method of thread class method has to be done. So let me just display a message. I will say some thread is working. This thread is working. Thread is running, I will say. So now let's start. Let me just execute the code. Say I'm just calling the start method, then it will go to run method and it will execute the thread. Okay. So whatever we want to do as part of that thread, you can stop, start, do whatever you want in this particular run method. Run is an important method which will help us to
Yes, ma'am.
execute and do all the work in that particular thread. Okay. So, and
Okay.
I told you one more. So this is using the thread class.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
So this thread class. Now what I will do, I will create one more class using runnable interface. New class called as create thread runnable. Okay. Create runnable thread. Runnable thread. And click on public static void main and let me click finish. Now I have to implement. Implement means what? We have to use the interface.
Interface. Okay.
Runnable. So runnable is the name of the interface and it will get implemented. It has a method. Which method? Run method. Run is an important method. So again, it also has the run method and you can create an object of that. But now actually this will just be having the details of thread class. But actually to create, we have to again create a thread object. Thread T equal to new thread. You can do like this. There is slightly different way.
Okay.
Give a name of the thread. This is what say Eclipse thread. Eclipse thread. And click fin and then put the semicolon. Now I have to create an object, slightly different way. Okay. Object of this particular class, say T1 equal to new and pass the okay, it should be like this, the other way. Sorry, I have to take this line down. So this is a normal how we create an object, right? But I want this object itself as the thread. So then you have to pass the argument like this. Then this will be the actual thread. T will be the actual thread. T is the thread. A little high level concept, but basic level, if you know, that is enough. What is thread, how it is going to start, what are the that is enough. You have to start the thread. Okay, so again you can stop. See, there is one more stop. See, stop the thread is there. You can ask it to wait. You can do all that. Controlling of any program can be done using threads.
Threads. Okay.
So here what I will do, I will just put a message again here. This thread is working or my thread started. Okay, so what I did, basically I created a class and implemented the runnable interface. And I created an object of this particular class. Then for the thread, I passed the object of that particular class. This T1 I passed. So that T will be the object pointing to this particular class and also a thread. And then I will start the thread. Once I start, it will go inside the run method and do whatever I want to do inside the run method. Now let's execute. See, it will get inside the yes, we cannot directly say run. If you start, that is enough. It will do all the work. Okay. So this is a two ways how you can create a thread. Now let me show you a practical example so that you get an idea. So basically, there is one customer. Okay, I will show you. I will show you using an example. Then we will go to that code. So there is one customer who goes to the bank. Okay, you usually go to the bank. So he goes to the bank. And he will have a bank balance. Okay, balance. Say for example, if he has 10,000, he has 10,000 rupees. So what he will do by mistake, he goes to the ATM and he will try to withdraw first. Withdrawal of 15,000 he will do. Is it possible?
No, ma'am, not possible.
No, not possible. So how it
Yes.
can be done? So we can create a thread and you can handle the withdrawal. Then create one more thread. So he will say not possible. This is not possible. So this cannot be not done. This cannot be done. So there is no sufficient balance. So let's say
Yes.
he will, then he finds out, I have to first deposit, then it will be like sufficient balance, I can withdraw. So minimum amount that he has to deposit is 5,000, right? So he will
Yes.
say, I will deposit, say 10,000. Let there be some balance of 5,000. And he will say, I will deposit some 10,000 and it will be done. Then he will again reassume the withdrawal now. Okay. And he wants 15,000, which will be like he will go ahead and it will be done. It will be now done. Getting a scenario?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is how a thread can be operated. Basically, one work will handle the withdrawal. If the withdrawal is not possible, it will go to wait. We can ask this person to wait. Okay. Wait till the deposit, sufficient deposit happens. Then you can go ahead and reassume the withdrawal.
Withdrawal. Okay.
The same scenario I have put in the code. Okay, I will share that screen now. So customer is there. He has the balance, that is amount of rupees 10,000. Okay, and there is a withdrawal method and there is a deposit. See, this is the withdrawal method. This is a deposit. Fine. Now there is one more thread class here which is having public static void main. The customer is created here. See, customer gets created. He will say, I want to first do the withdrawal. See, he's withdrawing of 15,000 rupees. And Dayanidhi, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm listening.
New thread. See how withdrawal is happening using the new thread. You are using the concept of thread here. And then we are trying to withdraw. And we are starting the thread here. What it will happen, it will go above. It will go to the withdrawal method. And it will pray, I'm going to withdraw. And if the amount is not sufficient with the balance, then say that balance is less. So wait for the deposit. And then it will waiting. Okay, withdrawal will not happen. It will just go to wait. Then that thread will be waiting. Then one more new thread will be getting created and it will also be started. What it is doing right now? It is depositing of 10,000 rupees. So now what it will happen here, it will go to the method. It is still waiting. Okay, this withdrawal is waiting. So it will go to the deposit and it will go to going to deposit and it will add the amount and deposit will be completed. And it will notify. Notify means whatever threads are waiting, it will wake up that particular wakes up the thread that is waiting. So now our withdrawal was waiting. So it will be restarted, reassumed. Then it will again start and it will say going to withdraw. Now this time this condition will be false. There is sufficient balance after the deposit. Then it will subtract the amount and it will give the withdrawal amount, withdrawal completed. So this is how the entire scenario of threads work. See, have a look at the output. Getting a clear picture, practical example.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So this is what you have to remember as part of threads. Okay, any transaction it can be controlled using a thread. Okay, fine. This is one important concept. And then one more important concept is, see, in Java, we go on creating, in C++, if you are familiar, whenever you want to, like many a times there will be performance issues, right? Performance. It will become slow, it will not work, it is taking time, all those things will be there. Why that happens? Because there is lot of memory consumption in the C++ programs. But in
Okay, okay,
Java,
okay.
there is a very beautiful memory management. Memory management is being done. How the memory is being done is, first of all, there is a garbage collection. We don't run out of the memory unless it is a very bulky application. Okay,
Yes.
garbage collection is there. Garbage collection, that is nothing but GC. Okay, so what is the meaning of GC is whatever objects are created. We go on creating so many objects, right? So don't you think Java also might run out of memory? Sometimes it could run, but
Done,
one
done.
good feature of Java is there is automatic garbage collection.
Okay.
Automatic. So this is not there in
Automatic.
C++. They don't have automatic. Developer has to take care of the memory. He has to clear the data, memory, everything. Okay, but
Okay,
in
ma'am.
Java, they have the automatic garbage collection. So user need not worry about he just goes on creating the objects. User, it's not the headache of the user to clear the memory.
Very okay, okay. Automatically
Yes,
clear.
everything does not clear memory. So though I have so many programs, see, I don't worry about clearing the data. See, I have like thousands of code here. See, so many code I have. Okay, so I definitely will not worry about clearing the memory because
Memory.
everything is taken care by the garbage collection and it
Correct.
is automatic in Java. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
Is one important point which I wanted to tell upon. And
Yes,
let me
noted.
got it, got the points. So
Yes,
one is
got and point noted. Yes, ma'am.
okay. So there is a system.gc method is there. We can call that, or if the developer wants, he can use system.gc. Else it's okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Everything is automatic. Okay.
Automatic. Okay, okay.
Let me stop here, Dayanidhi. Tomorrow, I
Okay,
think
ma'am.
it will be the last class. And tomorrow, I will wind up. There is one important concept, the collections,
Okay, ma'am.
and I
Okay,
will
ma'am.
complete that. Today, you want me to complete? It is a little vast. I want to take some time. Half an hour it will take. I will take
Okay,
time.
okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Tomorrow here, Tamil Nadu is declared holiday, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So what?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Can you?
Olympic chess Olympic World Champion going on. So Chennai and another two districts declares holiday for tomorrow. So
Okay.
in time we can take a class tomorrow.
Okay. 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 So can you attend the class tomorrow at 10 a.m. or 11,
Yeah,
10:30?
ma'am. Yeah, yeah. Okay, ma'am.
10:30 is 10 o'clock. 10:30. Yeah, 10:30 is a good time.
Okay, ma'am. We'll finish up the class.
Yes, 10:30 to 11 o'clock, I will complete the collections framework. Then I will do 15-20
Okay,
minutes revision. It will help you.
okay, okay, ma'am. That's fine.